Dear 11th standard students, in previous video class, you learnt about what is inertial frame of reference and what is non-inertial frame of reference, then what is a centripetal force, then what is a centrifugal force. I think you learnt this topic from previous video class. But in this video class, we will briefly discuss about centrifugal force due to rotation of the earth. So what is centrifugal force? Centrifugal force is a pseudo force or fictitious force which arises due to inertial nature of an object. When we assume centrifugal force appears to act on the object when rotational frames of reference are considered. Now, that kind of centripetal force due to rotation of earth, that centrifugal force how to play due to rotation of earth. See the diagram. It is earth. Center of the earth O. Generally, earth is treated as a inertial frame of reference, but it is not actually not so, because earth is rotate about its own axis with an angular velocity omega. This is axis of rotation. So we consider this is earth, center of the earth point O. It is axis of rotation. So earth is rotate about its own axis with a constant angular velocity omega. R is the radius of the earth, where R is the radius of the earth. Now, we consider any one of a man or object is placed on the surface of the earth. For example, if a man standing on the surface of the earth, if a man standing on the surface of the earth at a given place, R is the radius of the earth. Theta is the latitude of the earth if a man were the standing on the surface of the earth. Theta is the latitude of earth. A man were the standing of a man on the surface of the earth. So theta is the latitude of earth where the man is standing on the surface of the earth. Generally, if earth is rotate about its own axis with a constant angular velocity Any object placed on the surface of the earth also rotate with the same constant angular velocity omega. Small r is the perpendicular distance of a man standing on the surface of the earth to the axis of rotation. Small r is the perpendicular distance of the man standing on the surface of the earth to the axis of rotation. So that is a very important term. Centrifugal force due to rotation of earth, where r is the radius of the earth, theta is the latitude of earth, where the man standing on the surface of the earth. Small r is the perpendicular distance of a man on the surface of the earth to the axis of rotation. In the case of rotational frame of reference y, earth is rotate about its own axis with a constant angular velocity. It is the rotational frame of reference, is also called non-inertial frames of reference. Every object is placed on the surface of the earth is also rotating with the same angular velocity omega. A man experiences centripetal force. That centripetal force is directed towards the axis of rotation, like this. If a man standing on the surface of the earth rotating with the same angular velocity omega, now it should be appears from the surface of the earth, where a man is standing on the surface of the earth, it should be appears as a man is rotating with the circular motion, with the radius of the circular path is smaller. So therefore a man experiences centripetal force is directed towards the center of the circular path of a man if a man is standing on the surface of the earth. So therefore, already we know that centripetal force is experienced by a man. Centripetal force. Which is equal to mv square divided by r. M is the mass of a man, small m. V is the linear speed of a man if rotating on the surface of the earth with the radius of the circular path small r. R is the radius of the circular path. We know that already the relation connecting in between linear speed and angular speed V is equal to r omega. Substitute in this equation centripetal force which is equal to m V value r omega whole square divided by r. So therefore m r square omega square divided by r get cancelled. So therefore centripetal force which is equal to m omega square r. If a man standing on the surface of the earth is rotated with the earth with the same angular velocity, man experiences centripetal force. Or centripetal force is acting on a man, which is given by the expression m omega square small r. That's very important. Small r is the radius of the circular path described by a man where standing on the surface of the earth. But we introducing negative sign on that expression minus m omega square r, because that centripetal force is directed towards the center of the circular path. This is a circular path. So the centripetal force is experienced by a man standing on the surface of the earth is directed towards the center of the circular path. We introducing a negative sign. Simultaneously, on the rotational frame of reference or non-inertial nature of the frame of reference, a man standing on the surface of the earth experiences centrifugal force also. That centrifugal force appears to acting on a man, which is direction opposite to the direction of centripetal force. Centripetal force is directed towards the center of the circular path. Simultaneously, due to non-inertial frame of reference or rotational frame of reference, a man standing on the surface of the earth experiences centrifugal force. Then the centrifugal force appears to acting on a man, which is directed opposite to the direction of centripetal force. So, which is acts opposite to the direction of centripetal force. Which is equal to m omega square r. We are not introducing a negative sign because centrifugal force which is acts opposite to the direction of centripetal force. That's why it is positive. M is the mass of a man, omega is the angular velocity of the earth, which is equal to the same angular velocity of a man. R is the radius of the circular path described by a man standing on the surface of the earth. Next, we are going to calculate theta value. Theta is the latitude of earth, where man standing on the surface of the earth. It is also theta. Take the triangle, right angle triangle. O, this point is A, this point is B. Right angle triangle, BAO. BAO. Take cos theta value. This is a theta. Cos theta value, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent side r, small r divided by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, which is radius of the earth. R. So from this equation, calculating the radius of the circular path described by a man standing on the surface of the earth, R is equal to capital R cos theta. So centrifugal force or pseudo force, which is equal to plus m omega square r. We know that already small r is equal to capital R cos theta. Small r is the radius of the circular path described by a man standing on the surface of the earth, which is equal to capital R is the radius of the earth. Theta is the latitude of earth, where a man standing on the surface of the earth. Substitute in this equation, to this equation, centrifugal force. Which is equal to m omega square, r value r cos theta. Then, how to calculate angular velocity of the earth? So already we know that angular velocity omega, which is equal to 2 pi divided by t. T is the time period of revolution of earth, or time taken by the earth to complete one revolution, which is equal to 24 hours or 1 day. So So centrifugal force which is equal to m omega value 2 pi divided by t. 2 pi divided by t whole square r cos theta. So centrifugal force m into 4 pi square divided by t square r cos theta. Centrifugal force. So this is a right expression to determine the centrifugal force appears to acting on a man if a man standing on the surface of the earth. When we introducing a centrifugal force appears to acting on a man when rotational frames of reference are considered, because earth is rotated about its own axis with the constant angular velocity. Simultaneously, if a man standing on the surface of the earth also rotated with the same angular velocity, this types a circular path of radius small r. So therefore, in this way, centripetal force is experienced by a man is directed towards the center of the circular path described by a man, and also on that non-inertial frames of reference or rotational frames of reference, centrifugal force appears to acting on a man which is directed away from the or opposite to the direction of centripetal force acting away from the center or free from the center. It is called centrifugal force or pseudo force. So on the rotational frames of reference, how to calculate the centrifugal force or pseudo force is experienced by any object placed on the surface of the earth from that equation m into 4 pi square r cos theta divided by t square. M is the mass of a man, where m is the mass of a man, t is the time period of rotation of earth, t is the time period of rotation of the earth, r is the radius of the earth, theta is the latitude of earth, so in this way we apply the centrifugal force concept on the rotational frames of reference.